The US hits Russia where it hurts, and oil markets are feeling it. It's Thursday, the 23rd of October, and this is what you need to know. President Trump is turning up the heat on Moscow. The US has slapped sanctions on Rosneft and Lukoil, that's Russia's two biggest oil producers, in its toughest move yet over the war in Ukraine. The goal? To choke off the cash fueling President Putin's invasion. Treasury Secretary Bessent said Washington is ready to go further and is urging allies to follow suit. Meanwhile, the EU is set to announce its own fresh round of sanctions later today. Oil prices spiked on the news, as seen on our charts of the day. The new sanctions are already sending shockwaves through the global energy markets, and ripples are reaching far beyond Moscow. In India, senior refinery executives have said that the new curbs will make it impossible to keep buying Russian crude. Meanwhile, together, Rosneft and Lukoil supplies about a quarter of Russian oil exports to China. There's fresh trouble brewing between Washington and Beijing. Reuters sources reported that the US is weighing sweeping new export bans that would block China from buying critical American tech. That ranges from laptops to jet engines and is seen as a direct response from China's latest curbs on rare earth exports. Officials say that the measures aren't finalized, but they do send a clear message that the US is ready to hit back hard. Tesla's profits plunged last quarter, marking a fourth straight quarter of earnings misses. Operating expenses jumped 50% to $3.4 billion, with tariffs alone costing $400 million. CEO Elon Musk used the earnings call to tout Tesla's humanoid robots and AI ambitions. But he offered few answers on how he plans to revive the company's core car business after a 40% drop in operating profits. And our stock of the day is Intel. All eyes are on its third quarter earnings after the bell today, which will test whether a wave of big name investments can steady the struggling chipmaker. Nvidia, SoftBank and even the US government poured in billions last quarter. But investors want to know, do these bets add up to a real comeback or just another costly stopgap? And that's what you need to know this morning.